Today we are collaborating with NASA in an equal measure, in an equal platform. So India is no longer a follower. It is actually an equal partner. And let me also put it on record that Shubhanshu Shukla, the Indian member of the crew, is going to be the most crucial component of this entire mission, which is going to last about 2 weeks or so. It might be plus minus, because he's the pilot and he's going to perform 7 exclusive experiments which have been designed by India, which have been, the kits have been provided by India. I'm glad to say 2 or 3 of those kits by the Department of Biotechnology. We have entered into a formal MOU with ISRO, between the ISRO and the DBT. Then there are kits provided by some of the IITs, kits provided by the Indian Institute of Sciences, which in other words means that the Indian partner in this entire mission is going to perform experiments related to microgravity, which are going to be of utility to even those agencies which started their space journey much, much earlier than us, including NASA. So this is a moment where India has come of age. India is today a frontline nation, and it is, I would say, heralds the ascent of India to that pedestal of Viksit Bharat. So the ascent of India to the pedestal of rank 1 Viksit Bharat has started via space.